everyone! Today we will try out another strategy for accelerating the deposit. This strategy can increase your $500 into $3,000 if you follow the instruction. Now I just want to show you how it works, and I'll try to increase my deposit from only $500. Let's check together how well this strategy works. Let's get started. We will open trades at $500. Let's add currency pairs with a suitable high percentage. I plan to open trades in the direction of the trend, and we will choose a trend indicator. This is an alligator. I will tell you more about it later. It is more convenient to open trades in the trend with it than on a flat. Let's immediately see if there is dynamics on the currency pairs, preferably without flat situations. As I can see, good chart movement prevails in the market. I think we will leave these currency pairs and find the best entry into the trade. I think opening trades should be done for sale. I explained the entry principle. We will open trades on rollbacks. Earlier, we see an upward direction. Then, we have worked out the resistance area. The movement went down. We see that all the sliding lines of the indicator are directed downwards. We also have worked out the support area, and there are adjustments after which we have a downward movement in both the first and second variants. We see a downward direction, a small rollback, then the movement should go along the trend. That is why the opening of the trade is for sale. I think that in the last seconds there should be an exit and the trade should close in profit. Yes, friends, our first trade is closed in profit. As I said, it was a good entry into the trade in time. We played on the correction. I think further trading will be based on the same principle. Let's not delay and pick the next currency pair. We will look for a good percentage now. I also think to open a sell trade. We select the working area. We see good market dynamics today. For the indicators we have opened, the movement is going down, and then there is a small correction, and after it, the movement should also continue down. We have chosen the moment of rollback. The correction is finished and the trade is open for sale. We see a good candle level. There are 10 seconds left until closing, and we see that this trade will most likely close in profit. Well, no, the trade closed at 0. But it's okay, we see strong dynamics at the last candle. This also happens. This is a trade and you can do without losses. But in our case, there wasn't even a loss. We continue our trade and we'll pick the next currency pair. Let's open a trade here. We see good upward dynamics here. Let's highlight the working area. All sliding lines are directed upwards. The alligator jaw is wide open. After this rollback, we have strong upward dynamics with weak volatility. But there is good movement. This is exactly what happens after a rollback to open a buy trade. The opening is necessarily in line with the trend, since the alligator is a trend indicator. Be sure to remember this. There are a few seconds left until the end of the trade. We're in profit. This signal is completely justified. I think you have already understood the principle of this strategy. It is not very difficult, even for beginners in trading. We will not stop. We will select another currency pair. Here, we will open for an increase. We see a sideways movement. There is a flat, but nothing to worry about. Now, the trend is downward. We are seeing a small flat. I think this is a small correction, the accumulation stage. I think the movement should also go down. We open a trade for a decrease. There are 15 seconds left until the end of the trade. I think we should close in profit. Yes, the trade is closed in profit. Again, We opened on the trend after the adjustment and you saw the result yourself. We started with $1,500. The balance is already $3,000. Let's not stop. We will select the next currency pair for the most profitable entry into the trade. We will look for a good percentage and a rollback. There was an intersection here. Let's open a buy trade, a slightly different entry principle. We had an intersection of our moving indicator lines to the upside. This indicates that we should have a strong upward trend. Earlier, we observed a correction, updating local minimum points in these areas. We opened a buy trade, a slightly different principle, but the result should be good. Yes, the trade is closed in profit. There is such a formation of opening trades. It was a bit tense, the trade was closed almost at the level, but later we see an exit. The exit occurred and the trade would have closed in profit in any case. Let's make a couple more trades to consolidate the result, if you still haven't understood something. Let's look for a good currency pair with a suitable percentage. Let's open a sell trade here. Highlight the working area. The movement is going down, a clear sideways movement. We see a downward dynamics, weak volatility in the candles. Even if a green candle appears, as now, it will not be able to interfere with us. The trade is closed in profit again. Let's pick the next currency pair and consolidate the result. Let's continue our analysis. I like this currency pair. I think it's worth opening a sell trade here. Why? Our sliding lines are unfolding in an upward trend, but I think the resistance area should work out here. Our local maximums have been updated, and therefore the movement should go down. Since our support zones are working well now, local minimum points are not updated. There are literally 15 seconds left until the end of the trade, and the last seconds the exit should occur and the trades will be closed in profit. Yes, friends, the last trade is closed in profit. The balance is $4,197. An excellent result, considering that we started with $1,500. Let's withdraw our funds to a Bitcoin wallet. Let's withdraw $3,197 so that the balance remains an even amount. Click Continue. Our transaction is processed and I will attach a screenshot of the successfully completed transaction. Thanks for watching! I hope the material in this video helped you. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you soon!